To upgrade your account, sign into the members area. Click on the Agree button for the general rules and guidelines. Navigate to the small arrow next to your name in the top right hand corner of the screen. In the drop down menu, click on Profile. Click on Unsubscribe, and in the drop down menu, click on Upgrade Downgrade. A pop-up will come up confirming that you would like to cancel. Once the subscription is cancelled, you can navigate to Upgrade Account at the top. Choose your new plan. Fill out your personal information and billing information. Scroll down and agree to the terms and conditions. And click on Submit My Order. If you do not have any billing information previously added, you will need to add it over here and then click Update.